Hello students, good morning. Most welcome to the Rita Das classes. I request all the new viewers to please subscribe my channel. Today I am going to teach you most important part of the reading sections. This reading sections generally comes in the senior classes, that is in the class 11th and class 12th. That topic is note making. It is most important part of the reading sections, and I have already told you that it generally comes in senior classes in class 11th and class 12th. In note making, we have to read what is note making and the format of the note making. Tips should be remembered while making the note, and at last I have just given two examples and the answer and the questions also written here. So first of all, we have to know what is note making. Note making is a way of getting important informations from any passage or any article. It records the essence of the important note. It also helps us to understand and clarify the thinkings of the passage. Now the second, the format of the note making. First, whenever we have to make the note making, first we have to read the passage, and after that we point out the headings. To heading means it's find out the title or the heading of the note. Second, subheading. A subheading is a division of main topic. And third, the points should be, there are some points of the main topic should be written there. And after the sub points, there is the subheadings. Subheadings is the made for showing the category types of advantage extra. And the second last is the keywords. It shows some symbols or the abbreviations, and it helps us to get clear understandings. And last, we have to write the summary of the extract. And here I have just made it is this in just as examples. First you have to read the passage and made the heading or the title of the passage. Second, subheading you have to made. In the subheading you have to made the point, and subheading sub point you also made. And third, subheading 2, that is the point, and the sub point you have to made it. And after that you have to write the keywords. And how here the example is also, if you have to write the government, here you only write the GOV and point you give the, and after that you have to write the government. So the short form and the long form you have to write in the keywords. At last you have to write the summary of this passage. So here the tips to prepare the note making. First is the prepare notes using phrases only. Never use complete sentences. It means that whenever you have to make the title or the heading, you only use the phrase only, not you have to use the complete sentence. Second, the topic sentences of each paragraph is the main point, and ideas affiliated to it are subpoints, one or more depending on the concept in the paragraph. So when you read the passage, there are some paragraphs are given. So the first you have to write means each paragraph there is you have to make the points and subpoints. Each subpoint may or may not have supplementary ideas which become sub headings, and after that it is the provide an appropriate title for the notes or the summary or the abstracts as given in the question. 5. Include a minimum 4 to 6 distinctly different recognizable short forms, abbreviations of the words in the notes. Cover all the important points in the notes meaningfully to prepare the abstract summary in about 80 and 200 words. Write the summary or of the abstracts in complete sentence in a paragraph. Means in the summary we have to write the 80 to 100 words from the paragraph, and Here one or two examples are given. First examples, it is the passage is written and it is the long passage. First you have to read the, and question is given, read the passage carefully and answer the questions given below. So the first passage is given, and here also there is the passage is theirs, and after reading the passage here question is mentioned. So the question is given, on the basis of your reading of the above passage, make notes on it in points only using headings and subheading. Also use recognizable abbreviations wherever necessary. Supply an important title. So here in the questions it is clearly mentioned that you have to read the passage, and after that you have to write the headings or the subheadings, and you have to also write the some abbreviations, and at last and supply some titles of the and you have to write the. And second question here is the write a summary of the above passage in the above 80 words. So second number it is given to write the summary. So here the number is also given. So you have to write these things in this. First there is the, after reading the passage there is the one heading is mentioned here. The heading is the self medications, and self medication, that is the heading, and the part of the normal living first 100 years. Second, the heading is, there is a point, advance in diagnosis technology, doctors requires for diagnosis and treatments of disease. Self medication differ from medical prescriptions. And here is the second passage in that is the heading of the second passage is technological advance in medicines, drug therapy. That is the points. ABC are the points you have to write. And after that in the third you have to write here clever advertising by pharma's companies. Here also this is the heading of the third passage, and here is it is the point, take advantage of the people's needs, chronic suffers, mild complaints, the it is the subheadings, and it is the made the subheadings D till D, A, B, C, D. And here is the one is the subheading, 1 point, sub point, it is a lack of exercise, overeating, it is the sub points. And last, that is the dangers of self, that is the fourth paragraphs, it is given the heading and it is the point, and it is the sub point also given. So you have to write, that is the, and at last it is written the abbreviations. Here is the short form is written, it is the long form, and it is treatment, development, input, improvement, publics. This way you have to give, so the number will be given. And at last, already I have told, you have to write the summary of the passage. Here the summary is mentioned, and in this way you have to first read all the passage. After that you have to write from the passage only, that 80 to 100 words of the summary only. Here the second examples also given. In the second examples, the question is read the passage carefully and answer the questions given below. So this is the passage. I have told you the passage is here also, the passage is the here completed, and after that the after passage there is the questions. In the question it is on the basis of your reading the passage, make notes on it using recognizable abbreviations wherever necessary, use a format and consider suitable supply also. So here the question 1 is given and question 2 is there, that on the basis of your reading the passage, make notes on it using recognizable abbreviations wherever necessary, use a format, consider suitable, supply a suitable title, and write a summary in about 80 words. So this, after reading the question, you have to make first paragraphs heading is identifications, point is tension, headache, migraine, and B second passage the heading is the symptoms. Here the point is the tension headaches, and sub point is the feelings, that is the, and migraine headaches, that is the, and in the third paragraph, that is the causes. The point is the tension headaches. All this here is given, and after the writing the heading, points, sub points, and it is the fourth paragraph, that is the heading is treatment, and it is the point, and at last the title of the passage is given, headache and their treatments. Summary is written in 80 to 100 words, that is the summary you can see in the board. And after that, the abbreviation, it is written, four abbreviations are written: hospital short form, and building short forms, and donation short forms, Ayurvedic. So dear students, just how I have just written it, you just follow this, and at the time of exam also you just make the note making in this way. Write the abbreviations also, write the heading also, write the points also, sub points also, and the summary of the passages also. At last, the conclusion of the note making is that it is as important as the reading other parts in the reading section, so you cannot skip up this note making. Thank you.